Do you find it challenging to translate your peaceful feelings from the yoga mat to your daily life? Have you ever felt like you felt so blissful when you finished the practice and then the next moment you saw a text message or something came in and it was completely gone? This is where we need integration. This is where we need translation from the things we learn on the mat to the space of the mat. And today we're gonna tell you how to do that and a simple tool and technique to integrate the power of the practice to your everyday life so that you can maintain your bliss as you flow from the mat again into your day-to-day life. My name is Anne, and today I'm gonna speak about triggers as teachers and how every event in our life can actually be an invitation to shape not just our external world, but our inner landscape. Because in yoga we do positions and we're standing in those positions, and constantly we can cultivate an inner awareness about how am I in this position. When you are in a challenging pose and you're there like, I really don't want to be here, do you get angry about the person that is explaining the video? Or do you bring awareness to the fact that you are choosing to be in that position, and at any moment you can step out of the position and come back into it, and maybe even keep breathing through it and use that energy that goes into fighting the position and maybe the person teaching you the position to cultivating an inner strength. This is the true power of yoga. And when we understand this, that we always have the potential to engage with the world, that we are all the time engaging with the world around us, and it's in that way we engage, the way we relate, that we find true empowerment. This way yoga can shift us from a victim mentality where we wait for people and situations to be a certain way, towards empowerment, where we liberate ourselves through the triggers, through the experience that come on our pathway. And this way you'll be like, yes, let's do it. So next time you find yourself even in a position like the warrior and you're like, no, I don't want to do it, can you find a more empowering way to be in there and say, okay, either I'm doing it or I'm not doing it, but wherever I do it, whatever I do, I own that decision. And next time you find yourself in life, someone is triggering you. What does it mean, a trigger? It's essentially you are suddenly off. You are a bit angry, or you get upset, or you feel a certain stress surging through your body. You pause and you're like, okay, how am I reacting? And then maybe you're just being with that reaction without reinforcing it. So you react, you notice the reaction, you breathe, you are present, and then if you have the power, you maybe even put your attention towards how do I want to be in this. And you don't always have to do that straight away. You might do it over time. Or another exercise that I always do, and the way that I've been able to overcome this, is to take a moment at the end of the day and say, okay, what triggered me today? How did I react? And how did that affect me? And how would I love to react? And the drive and the fuel that I put in there is, if I truly loved myself and wanted to evolve myself, my personality into my highest potential, how would I react? Essentially, I could say, what advice would I give to a friend? And we start apply it to ourselves. So triggers can become teachers, and hardship and difficult situations both on the mat and off the mat are actually an opportunity for us to shape the way we engage with ourselves and the world around, and we choose to install new behavioral patterns and new ways that make us feel more free, more empowered in our everyday reality. So I truly hope that next time you find yourself in that warrior, in that position, breathe, pause, and know that you are the creator of your reality. Thank you so much, and let us know how it goes. We're really excited to hear from you.